Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, open Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display. Then scroll down again, tap on Display Size and Text, and swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out Preview above. When you finished, just click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!